guys, how's it going? Welcome to another episode. I'm that car guy Tim, and we're just getting ready to head out to Thorhild. One of my coworkers set up a car show out there, Calvin. So thanks so much, Calvin, for organizing this car show. Let's head on out, wipe the morning dew off the windshield so we can actually see where we're going, and zip on out to beautiful Thorhild, Alberta. This here is a beautiful 1961 Ford Galaxy Sunliner powered by a 352 two-barrel all original car. The only thing that's not original is the paint job, and there's these special floor mats the owner ordered off of eBay. But other than that, this is a gorgeously preserved. It sat for 30 years. This car sat for 30 years, and he says it still has awesome get up and go.